Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Oh woman, don't treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman out of more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Oh woman, don't treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman out of.
Got me thinking you don't want it. So I don't give a fuck about your man, he a moron. Couple drinks down by now you taking more off. Said she wanna party so I took her to the rooftop. Guess she's not shy, should've seen her take her socks off. Grab the ribbon, fuck your feelings. The way she suck my soul, need some spiritual healing. Grab the ribbon, fuck your feelings. The way she suck my soul, need some spiritual healing. Rich boy, to give you all the power like, oh Lord. Can you give me just an hour, say less girls. You can leave it, ain't a problem. But the way you looking at me got me thinking you don't need a rich boy to give you all the power like, oh Lord. Can you give me just an hour, say less girls. You can leave it, ain't a problem. But the way you looking at me got me thinking you don't want it. Got me thinking you don't want it. Like, tell me why you're always causing problems and the drama. Like, if you really want me, you would just give me a holler. But you're wasting all my time and you're wasting all my dollars. So I guess that's how the story goes. We could take it back to my place, we could fall out of her clothes. But you're stuck up in your head, and it's time for me to go. So I guess I'll see you later, or I'll see you on my phone. Like, grab the ribbon, fuck your feelings. The way she suck my soul, need some spiritual healing. Grab the ribbon, fuck your feelings. The way she suck my soul, need some spiritual healing. Rich boy, to give you all the power like, oh Lord. Can you give me just an hour, say less girl. You can leave it, ain't a problem. Like, when you looking at me, got me guy, you don't need a rich boy to give you all the power like, oh Lord. Can you give me just an hour, say less girl. You can leave it, ain't a problem. But the way you looking at me got me thinking you don't want it. She's not shy, should've seen her take her socks off. Grab the ribbon, fuck your feelings.